for the love of God, please don't cough during this. Woo! Hey Goobers, welcome to 2015. Yay! It's a new year. And that means a new way to get drunk. So for the new year, I decided to do a drinking game that we created before the year ended. And it was kind of just a spur-of-the-moment thing, but this game was literally too good to keep off the internet. Today's video is brought to you by the letter G, and G stands for Guardians of the Galaxy! Yes! If you haven't seen this movie, I feel sorry for you because it's just fucking rad. I love this movie. Literally, I love all the references. I love all the characters. I really want a Groot in my life. If you live under a rock and you don't know what Groot is, it's a little tree humanoid thing that I just absolutely adore. And I need. And I want. So let me give you some background information about how this game became, became existent. That sounded really stupid. Oh, we're just gonna roll with it anyways. Where does a story like this begin? We were over at a friend's house. We were drinking and we weren't quite getting drunk fast enough. Somebody suggested, let's make a game. Of course, it was two Guardians of the Galaxy, so naturally I stood up and saved the day and created just a quick little game off the top of my head. And yeah, we were all sober at the beginning of this game, and then by the end, we were just giggling, just drunk idiots, and it was wonderful. It was really, really cool. It was one of those games where every time something popped up that was relevant to the rules, it was so much fun. So somebody had to point it out, and it was a really good game. So I wanted to share it with you guys because you guys seem to like my drinking game videos so far, so let's begin! This is your standard Marvel drinking game. It's got 6 rules and of course a death cup. Rule number 1, whenever you hear a new song from Star-Lord's Awesome Mix Volume 1 or Volume 2, drink. Number 2, whenever Drax the Destroyer does not get the reference, you drink. Rule number 3, whenever Groot says, "I am Groot," you take a drink. I was completely obsessed with Groot. I feel like maybe there would be one other person in the world that was as obsessed with it as I was. I got to the end of the movie when you see Groot like dancing there. Oh baby, give me one more chance, show you that I love you. I almost fucking died, guys. Spoiler alert, if you haven't seen the movie, skip over this part. But one of the cool drunken facts that I learned from my friends while watching this movie was at the very end when it's the little baby Groot and he's dancing to the Jackson 5 song. It's actually director James Gunn in like a suit, and they just told him like, hey, you know, just have fun. And or maybe he told himself like, fuck it, I just want to have fun, and he just started dancing and like doing all these crazy things, and that was literally my favorite part of the movie. It's not even a part of the movie, it's one of the extras. Go figure. Rule number 4, whenever Rocket yells, take a drink. That is one angry little raccoon. Rule number 5, whenever there is an epic dance scene, take a drink. Rule number 6, whenever someone says Star-Lord, take a drink. Naturally, since it's a Marvel movie, there is going to be a death cup, and we all know what that death cup is by now. It is Stan Lee. Whenever you see Stan Lee finish the drink you are drinking, and if you haven't seen this movie, I am so sorry. If you have seen this movie, brace yourself. That is it. Those are all my rules. I hope you like them. If you play this game, please let me know down below. Let me know how you like it. If you have any suggestions for any other games or just any other video in general, just let me know. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like me, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because from now on, I'm going to be making 2 videos a week. So there's going to be one on Wednesdays and one on Fridays. So yeah, let me know, and I will see y'all later. Bye bye.